If there's one veggie that pairs perfectly with beef or lamb, it has to be onion. Today, we're making a Chinese stir-fry that combines tender beef, sweet onions, and the bold aroma of cumin. Let's start with the beef. To keep your beef tender, always slice it against the grain to break up the muscle fibers. I froze the beef for a short while beforehand, so it won't slip while slicing, making it easier to cut even, thin slices. Take your time, try to get thin, coin-thick slices. To keep the beef juicy and tender, we add water in 2 to 3 batches. Stir each time until water is fully absorbed. This step is the key to make your beef juicy. Now season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, and cornstarch. Give it a good mix. Then finish with a little oil to lock in moisture. Let it marinate for 15 minutes while we prepare the veggies. I'm using half of a sweet onion. I love its natural sweetness. Slice it thin, then gently separate the layers so it cooks evenly. You'll also need 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, a few slices of ginger, and a few green onions cut into 2-inch sections. Now let's stir fry. Heat some oil in a pan and stir fry the onions until they soften and become fragrant. Remove and set aside. Add a little more oil, wait until the pan is hot. Toss in the marinated beef and stir fry quickly over high heat. When the color just starts to change, toss in the garlic and ginger. Stir fry for a few seconds. Then return the onions to the pan and give everything a quick mix. Now add a small piece of butter to boost richness. Stir until the butter is fully melted, then turn the heat down before adding the seasonings. We don't want the beef to overcook while we are seasoning. Season with salt, chicken bouillon powder, a pinch of sugar, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Adding just a tiny bit of sugar won't make the dish taste sweet, but it helps round out the flavors and add steps. Stir over high heat for 10 seconds. At this point, the dish is already delicious and pretty much done. But if you enjoy the warm, smoky flavor of cumin, trust me, this is the moment to use it. It takes this dish to a whole new level and adds a completely different depth of flavor. Add cumin seeds and ground cumin. Stir fry for another 15 minutes over high heat. Finally, toss in the green onion sections and stir briefly to release the aroma. And it's ready to serve. The cumin brings this dish to life. It adds warmth, depth, and that irresistible smoky aroma. If you've never had Chinese-style cumin beef, I hope you'll give this a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a comment, share your version, and don't forget to subscribe for more Chinese home cooking. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time with more delicious joy from the wok.